Hey, what's going on, YouTube? This Unmarked Pursuit Vehicles, we're here speaking. This is my 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. I'm just going to be showing you guys a few updates that I have done to it since my last video. For starters, this right here is the Browning antenna that's been installed, I want to say about 2 months right now. This long antenna piece right here, you have to go ahead and cut it down to the required length that you guys want to get it situated as. I got the paperwork in the vehicle. I'll go over there here in just a sec. This is my Crown Victoria. I did had 4 antennas sitting up here, but I went on and took them off. As y'all can kind of see these spots. Also added a spotlight on there. Got it from the wrecking yard, just cleaned it up a little bit and everything. They've been on there about 3 months for right now. Still got my Eagle RSAs. I will be going over a video in regards to the Eagle RSAs versus the Firestone Firehawks, because I'm gonna have to give me some more tires soon. These tires right here came off my old 2008 Crown Victoria, and I put these on right now. I've been driving on them ever since. Let's go ahead and look at the inside real quick. Still got my Pursuit logo. Oh, and the flashlight does work, as y'all can see. I have to go ahead and wire it up, right up down there, up in the fuse box right here. Still got my Pursuit vehicle logo. I added a few logos in here as well. Now this, the main thing I want to talk about, is the double den. I went on and installed that thanks to watching Mr. Handy Dad video. And Mr. Handy Dad, hey man, I appreciate it. It did come in handy. Let me go ahead and crank it up for y'all. You can see I'm at 140,000 miles on it from my last video. Everything still sound good. Of course, all the Crown Vics, they're all gonna have that air sensor light right there. It's not a big deal. It's my double den right there, y'all. Got the little GPS thing right there. I believe Handy Dad, he went up under the dashboard right here and had it up over there. But I went on, kind of left it like it was. Everything's still good. Let me turn that down. Now, on my Crown Vic, I did have a few issues going on up in here. For starters, I did had to go ahead and recharge my refrigerant up in there, so everything worked. Let me go ahead and turn it on for y'all. It might be a little loud, but let me turn it down. All right, let me open this real quick. All right, there we go. Everything all good now. I recently installed a new alternator on there because I did need an alternator. Mine was real bad and was all messed up. So I went on and spent the money, went to AutoZone, got one. It was about, I want to say about $300, somewhere around that range. It's 225 amps. So that's a great thing. Now, another thing I did have to do to my Crown Vic, you guys, was this little piece right there. This little thing right here. It's the defrost tab. All Crown Vics have them. Mine was broken off, and I was wondering why I couldn't see out my damn rear view. It was all foggy and stuff, and plus it was wintertime, so I called hell with that. So I did a little research, and I found out that this right here Frost Fighter defrost repair kit. And these are all the instructions and everything with it. Basically, is you just mix these two things right here together. You have like a little spoon thing or whatever. You mix it all together. You put it on a tab over here, and then go ahead and mount it on your windshield. Let it sit there about 30 seconds, 30 minutes, hour, however long you want to do it, before you want to go ahead and test your refrost. Well, what I did was to test my defrost. I just waited till early in the morning and went on and tried to see if everything worked. Because at first I was just getting half over here defrost, the other half over here real foggy, and it was real hell. So I went on and got everything all taken care of. That came in handy right there. Now, as for the antenna what I was talking to y'all about, this was it right here. This the model right here. Model number BR140. So it was the Browning 140. They're all the length and everything. That went on, got taken care of. I think I put mine in the 38 and 3/16 range, or somewhere around there. I'm not sure. It's been a while, but it came in handy. Most state troopers drive around with them on and stuff, mostly on the Crown Victorias. But I'm not trying to impersonate or anything like that. I just like the Browning antenna. It looked real good. I thought about having 2 more over there and leave it like that, or just drive with it with no antenna. It just really all depends. I mean, you guys, y'all go ahead and just let me know. I mean, I also looked at Notorious CVPI. I looked at Andy FPI videos and stuff. I believe he got a Ford Utility now, which is a badass vehicle. And I saw that he had a Crown Victoria, had antennas and everything. So I was just trying to get ideas from everyone. But this is my Crown Victoria. Oh, let me come back in front. My camera, it does still work. As y'all can see. There you go, it cleared in now. Trying to get it to clear in some more. Come on. It look like it don't want to act right on my phone. Don't want to act right, y'all. But that's my camera right there. It does work. I was trying to get a clear view for y'all. But yeah, this is my Crown Victoria. Everything's still good. Still work. USB, navigation, backup camera, Bluetooth where you could talk to anyone when they call you. It does come in handy. And of course my little phone holder right here I got at Walmart. But this is my Crown Vic right here, y'all. I just hope I went over everything for y'all, and I will be having more videos coming soon in regards to driving around with the Crown Victoria. I'm looking toward trying to go ahead and get a Charger or a Ford Taurus Police in the near future. I'm undecided for right now. I know it took a while for me to upload some videos and stuff. I just have a whole bunch of personal stuff going on right now, but I really do hope you guys like my Crown Victoria. I will be going over some mod videos soon, and I will be installing a push bumper. But this Unmarked Pursuit Vehicles right here, signing out.